In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Gryphline account. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link user.gryphline.com/login. Press enter. After you do that, you'll directly be led to the login interface of Gryphline. You can see over here you'll be able to log in to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials, or you can also log in with Google, Apple or Facebook if you want. So what you have to do is click on the login option that you would like to use. Here I'm just going to enter my credentials. If you also want to do that, click on the field of email and enter the email associated with your account. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your login has been successful and you'll be logged in to your account. So like this you'll be able to log in. So that is how you log in Gryphline account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.